Thank you for your interest in Sonicu. Our teams here at Sonicu HQ are dedicated to providing you with a professional Sonicu implementation experience, regardless of if you purchase one hardware kit or 100 kits. This short video will describe some of the benefits of being a Sonicu customer. After your order is placed, you are directed to one of our dedicated customer success managers. You will receive a couple of emails from your dedicated CSM. The first will be asking you to complete the network questionnaire for the hardware. This questionnaire is extremely important as it provides us with information to pre-configure the devices prior to shipping. Pre-configuring the devices is optional, however, it does allow for a quicker and more seamless installation of the hardware. The second is a welcome email to set up a kickoff meeting. This is done through Zoom and is 15 to 20 minutes. We will go over the implementation wizard for the SonicCloud monitoring site, the mobile app, which is used during hardware installation, and provide an installation guide. After the hardware is installed, a SonicCloud training is scheduled for your team to learn how to use the SonicCloud monitoring site. This training includes setting up alarm profiles and handling alarms, generating reports for regulatory compliance, adding additional users, how to contact support, and other features your team will have access to. Our CSM team provides a monthly SonicCloud training which can be accessed for new users to SonicCloud or as a refresher for existing users. This training also shows updated or newly released features that may be available to you. Our SonicCloud monitoring platform is always being updated with exciting new features to provide you with cutting-edge technology for your monitoring needs. Sonicu also has a technical support team to assist with troubleshooting hardware or software issues after installation and training. Tech support can also help with SonicCloud questions such as recalibration of sensors and our SNAP program and SonicCloud site assistance. We are available by email and SonicCloud 24/7 or by phone Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. In addition to our in-house customer success and technical support teams, Sonicu Academy is always available to look up information including installation, troubleshooting, and training. All of us at Sonicu welcome you and are dedicated to providing you with the very best customer success experience. Thank you for watching.